Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yesterday I uploaded my first video. You guys gave a lot of views but no likes and no comments that I would have seen, but there were a lot of views, like a lot from my expectations. I didn't expect to get that many views in that this much time. So moving on to what kind of career advices and would I give to a medical student who is aspiring to be a doctor, and if not a doctor who but they still want to be attached to the medical field. Okay, so starting on with today's advising and today's practice, this is the thing that I'm doing to improve my English speaking skills, and I'm trying my best to compensate new vocabulary, to add new vocabulary into my dictionary, my mind dictionary, so I can speak more confidently, because sometimes there is a word in Urdu in my mind that's going on in my mind, but I still cannot speak very clearly, like I cannot remember. So I am trying my best to improvise new words in my vocabulary. So moving on to the advice that I'll give you today. As I told you yesterday, do not go to the private colleges, because you will end up in a scam, because most of the private colleges, they do not have proper facilities, and neither do they have all the permissions. No, I'm not talking about the huge facilities. I'm talking about the small, either small based colleges, uh, and I will tell you the name of the one that I went to, and I'll make sure that no one goes there again, because you can say this is my sweet revenge from them, because I invested, I told you again, I'll tell you again that I invested 3 lakh rupees in this stupid diploma. The diploma wasn't stupid, but the college was stupid. So okay, so the diplomas that are related to the medical field, you can go to CNA. This CNA is the nursing assistant. You can go to dentistry. You have a diploma. You can have a diploma in dentistry. You can have a diploma in midwifery. Midwifery is normal delivery, are related to gynecology, but they only perform normal deliveries. Okay? And you can also go to medical lab technician. This diploma, medical lab technician, MLT, is best for girls, because I think that you will have flexible, or you won't have to interact with or you won't have to see all the anatomy of people doing that. You have to do in operation theater. You have to have more bodily exposure, like you get exposed to the whole patient